Hello guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. As you can see, it is a mess here in the garage after working on the transmission of the Range Rover. So we are going to do a cleanup here, and I'm going to put you on a time lapse because otherwise it is not the most interesting video. Stay tuned. That's it for now, guys. That's a machine I need for outside one of these days. So for the rest, I cleaned it up what had to go. And for now, that will do. So thanks for watching. And there's a new video coming very soon about the Range Rover. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do, but you will see. So if I don't see you all together, Happy New Year and a healthy 2024. So stay tuned for the next videos, and thank you all for watching. Peace.